I've been enjoying the hell out of the new Aprilia. But much like the Lambo I rented in Miami last year, the RSV4 1100 Factory is an Italian race machine made for the track. Unlike the Lambo, it's much easier to adjust the ape suspension for a better ride off the track. I'm not a professional race tech, but here are the basics for how I adjusted mine. But look up the directions and specs for your specific bike to ensure proper adjustments. Get the ass end in the air for stability and move to the front where I've already installed a zip tie snug against the bottom of the upper. I had AF1 Racing install a spring for my size, so I know that's correct. Since it's just me, I'm putting a tape in place and using my phone to record the rider sag. It's important to consider your gear weight, so I'm putting on my leathers and my helmet and gloves, but I will note I did not include my boots here. I carefully climb on, but very slowly so I don't get any false measurements, i.e. if I jump on, the shocks would compress more than just from sag. Once off, I measure the rider sag in front and use the phone vid for the rear. Both are on the lower side of the sag, which is perfect as it gives me breathing room if I do have a passenger. First, I'm checking the rear rebound to see how many clicks to max, then how many total clicks, and it's at 12 out of 24. Since I'm feeling chatter and a little float on the rough road sideways in a turn, I want to back off a little, so I'm going to drop it to 9 and see how that feels. Exact same process with the rear compression. The front settings were 17 out of 27 and 18 out of 29, so I'm dropping both of those to 12 as the next step. Once you've done that, be sure to make notes of the settings. A last check is to make sure your zip tie is close but not bottomed out so you're using a good amount of travel.